Today we're making eggplant grenadine. This is a big shout out for my grandmother Dawn. We got our eggplant, we got our celery, olive oil for frying, olive oil for the salad, red wine vinegar, salt, red pepper, capers, olives, onion and garlic. We're going to heat the oil up. Very important. Stainless steel pot. It's the only inactive cooking metal. Remember, it's inactive. Celery. Maybe a couple pieces of celery, but who cares? Just a few seconds, really, not too long. We just want to get it good and hot. This way it fries and gets in the oil and the onion. We like it spicy around here, but I won't make it too hot because I don't want to kill anybody. Good. I'll moosh around. Here it's crackling? Perfect. See the color? The celery? Ready. You want olive with the pimento in it because little pepper has some tang to it. Look, how beautiful, Madonna. Don't forget to recycle. That much. Very good for you, iodized salt. Healthy for the human body. It's a pinch of fresh ground pepper. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Real sugar. And a pinch for good luck. Red wine vinegar. Let that all cook together. Fresh sauce so it gets red. I'm going to slide this over a minute. Fresh. Mamma mia. Look how beautiful. Now that's Italian. Now we're going to deep fry the eggplant. First you slice it long ways. And then you chunk it. I like to check the temperature of the oil. Look at that, baby. Nice. Real nice. You ready? The hotter the oil, the less oil the eggplant will absorb. This is so the oil gets drained, basically. Beautiful. Fried. We mix. Now for the cannon. Product. Sicilian gamanadine. Eggplant salad. Fake Italians call it caponata. Real Italians call it gamanadine. There you go. So that's the end of eggplant gamanadine. If you like it, subscribe and ask for any kind of questions, and I'll be gladly there to help you out in any manner possible. Buon appetito!
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.